Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Stanley number 517350. This is their bottom guide for their Duraglide 5200, 5300, their Duraglide 2000 and 3000 series slider, then their ICU slider, their 7000 and 7500 series. And this video is to primarily serve as visual and dimensional evidence of the item. And let's start all of that right now. Here's some visual evidence of the item. Okay. Automatic doors. I understand that there was approximately 50 billion cycles of automatic doors on an annual basis. And the quantity of automatic door inspectors is just a number in the few thousand people. And replacement parts like this are very typical and common to be installed by certified installers, to be very typically required because of the amount of cycles on doors. The bottom guide roller assemblies really take a lot of use, and what happens, or that wear and tear happens when the maintenance sort of is lacking, that all contributes to a bigger problem. Door is opened, door is closing. Doors are opened, doors closed, doors open. That sort of scenario is what will really flatten these out when you develop poor maintenance. You want to keep these wheels clean and fresh. You don't want them to get stuck. They will flatten out on you, etc. Okay. This is heavy. It weighs about 1.15 pound. Let's take some dimensional properties just to help you determine if this is the gizmo you need. Now, overall height, is about 5 7/8. The height of the aluminum mounting block at the top is about 1.5 inches, with a width of about 1 3/8 inches, and a projection of about 1 3/8 inches. The bottom guide portion, that's about 2.5 inches by inch and a quarter, I would say, wide, and then a thickness right at about 13/16. I'm going to take a diameter and thickness of that wheel as well because we can. That wheel thickness or diameter, the wheel diameter, 1.243. 1.243. It's going to then have a thickness on the wheel 0.436. 0.436. It's going to have your mounting screws included. They are included. They appear to be 1032. Don't quote me on that. They look like they're 1032, and there are a total of 4 of them included. Okay. Finally, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Stanley products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog, along with several encyclopedic documents such as wiring diagrams, user manuals, things of that nature. And it's very typical. The bottom wheel and guides are not uncommon to supply, but I really find they're replaced when maintenance has been lacking in that regard. Maintain those doors. They're very expensive. The parts are super expensive, that you can get 10 times the amount of life out of them when they are properly maintained, especially the moving consumable items. The belts, the pulleys, the top wheels, the bottom guide, bottom guide and wheels. Any questions on the Stanley? This is their part number 517350. Bottom guide and wheel assembly or any other Stanley product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.